Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to talk about NC bar POC, bar point of control. I think we all know what point of control is, but just in case. Okay, so point of control is basically when we look inside the bar, okay, and we can look with a different granularity, but this indicator has two granularities, so it's either minute or tick. Now, so if we talk about ticks, right, then obviously this bar, before it formed, okay, had some ticks inside, you know, at various prices, and these, so the yield came in like this, okay, and some occurred on the same level. So what we do is basically for every single bar, we look inside that bar, okay, and we see which level had the most ticks, actually had the most tick volume, okay. So that's what we do. Now, and obviously this line here, the blue line, is the POC that has been formed. Now, for daily bars, it makes sense to use like minute granularity, otherwise it's just take for ages to calculate. Which means that if this is a daily bar, we look at close prices of 1 minute bars, like so 1,000 something minute bars, 1,140 minute bars inside a daily bar. So we'll look at their close prices and see where they match, okay, like we're doing here. So after every single level is formed, POC here, POC here, POC, we start drawing a horizontal line until that level is touched upon by price. So basically, if we were to look at this level like here, this would have been green and this would have been green. Okay, here it turned gray, this is still green, and it'll stay green until, well, pretty far. So yeah, until here, okay. Now, also, so the green ones are the support, and we also have the red ones for resistance. And the levels are also exposed, okay? Oops. The levels are also exposed, so you can see resistance, we can see POC, and we can see there are quite a few of them, but we'll always be looking at the closest ones. So for example, for this bar here, okay, we see that the resistance is 18,591. Okay, sorry, there it is. This is the resistance, and this is the support, which is 247. Well, I mean, it's mouse. A bit of a discrepancy because I can't move the mouse exactly. Okay, so basically you can expose the levels to any other bloodhound or whatever, okay, and you know, build a trading system over it or use it in a script, okay. And so, and the source code is provided, so it's a pretty interesting source code because it's not actually very straightforward on how to build these lines, okay. So if you're looking for coding examples, I think it's a great experience to have a look at that code review provided in the video inside the product. All right, guys, take care. Thank you very much.